audience. My name is Jean-Rémi de Maistre. I am CEO and co-founder of Jus Mundi. And before I used to practice with Alain Pelé in Paris, but you probably already guessed that with my French accent. So first I want to reassure you, Brexit is happening, and you will see less French people hanging around in London tomorrow. So I will be very quick, and I will try to explain why Jus Mundi is relevant to your practice. Basically, it will help you to win more cases. And so how do we do that? We have two main categories of tools inside Jus Mundi, one about legal research and one about arbitrator research. So I will only focus on the second part right now to be short, but you have more details in the brochures that is in your bag, and if you want, we can come to your firm and organize a demonstration in Paris, London, or wherever. So arbitrator research. Let's imagine that you are representing an investor against Indonesia, and the key legal issue of your case is about dual nationality. And let's also imagine that Indonesia is represented by Arnold and Porter, and that you are seeking, I don't know if there is and that you are thinking of appointing Charles Brouwer as an arbitrator in this case. So first on Jus Mundi, you will go there on the directory of arbitrators, and you will search for Charles Brouwer in the list. Then you will access to this page on Charles Brouwer when you can visualize his activity as an arbitrator. So you have first the latest document and some visualization of his activity. So you can see that we have Iran-US claims cases and also his investor state cases. You will know that he has decided 12 times in favor of investors. He has 12 pending cases. He decided 15 times in favor of the state. Then you see that he has 52 cases where he was appointed by claimant, and only 13 when he was appointed by the respondent. You will then have a list of cases about Charles Brouwer when he sat as an arbitrator or as a judge, because he is currently a judge ad hoc at the ICJ in some different cases. So this is the first step, to give you an overview of the activity of this arbitrator. But there are other tools that will allow you to go much deeper about this arbitrator. So now I am in Jus Mundi search engine. So here you can search for case law, but you can also search with the filters on the bottom right for people. So let's search Charles Brouwer here. So we have 274 documents in which he was an arbitrator. So you filter on this document, and you can add any other filter to see what are, for instance, his relation with Arnold and Porter as a firm. So you cross Arnold and Porter and Charles Brouwer, and you will find the 4 documents in which Charles Brouwer represented one of the parties, and Arnold and Porter represented one of the parties, and Charles Brouwer was the arbitrator. So when you do your conflict check, it will be very helpful. Then you want maybe to know if Charles Brouwer sat with Brigitte Stern, because maybe Arnold and Porter will appoint Brigitte Stern. I don't know why, but so Brigitte Stern, we have 7 documents where they sat together. You can then open another filter, like status of the case, and you see that 2 of them have been decided in favor of investors, 3 of them have been decided in favor of the state. So you can maybe guess what happens when they are together sitting in a case. So as the case is against Indonesia, so I remove Brigitte Stern, you can try to cross Charles Brouwer with Indonesia as a state. So I go here in parties, and we have no case with Indonesia. So you are clear on this side. Now, maybe you want to see what Charles Brouwer did as a counsel before he was an arbitrator. So you will open the lawyers filter, and you search for Charles Brouwer here. So we have 27 documents that are probably a bit older than the one when he was an arbitrator. And here you will again try to cross that with Indonesia to see if maybe he works for Indonesia or against Indonesia. And as maybe some of you already he represented Indonesia in AMCO versus Indonesia in 1992. So you can open the case, and here you have lawyers and other representative. He was working for White & Case at this period. So I am almost done. I just want to show you one last point. So in Jus Mundi, you can, of course, search for the law and search, for instance, for dual nationality. So you will find all the documents that we have in the database about dual nationality, Mixed Claims Commission, Iran-US, ISDS, etc. And you can cross that with Charles Bauer as an arbitrator. So you can know if he already decided something on this legal question. It doesn't mean that he will decide the same way. It doesn't mean that he was the person deciding inside the tribunal, but at least you will have this information to build your strategy. You can do that with Charles Bauer, but you can also do that with your opponent counsel. And search here for Arnold Porter and see if they pleaded this legal issue in former cases. So you can access the award, and sometimes when they are available, also the pleadings of Arnold Porter, and see how they pleaded this case. So it can give you some ideas about how to plead yourself, or how they may plead it. So just to summarize all of that, we will not tell you who is the right arbitrator for your case. This is absolutely impossible considering the complexity of arbitration cases, but we will give you the information that will allow you to make the best decision for you and for your counsel. Thanks a lot. If you have any question, feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to show you more about Jus Mundi. Thanks a lot, and thanks again for the
I almost forgot, but that's of course terrible. I have to thank, of course, a couple of people.